Creating a dashboard in Jira is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the web browser. Then search here Jira Login. After that, click to open the login with Atlassian site. Once you get into Atlassian, switch to Jira Work Management. Then click on Dashboard and choose to create dashboard from here. To create a dashboard, you need to enter your name, description, viewers, and many more. Now enter the name as Team Workflow, description as Work from Home, choose the group and admins option in Viewers. Select your editor to be private, then click to save all the information in your dashboard. Once you created a dashboard successfully, you can add gadgets to columns or change layout to whatever you like. Also, you can refresh the page, and if you click on the three dots, you'll find more options on here, like rename or share, copy, view at Billboard, and many more. Click on Move to Trash, which will delete your dashboard from your Jira account.